Castor oil and vitamin E for eyelashes. If you want to have thicker and longer eyelashes naturally, you can try these two ingredients, castor oil and vitamin E. There are various oils, which are quite effective in promoting hair growth, like black seed oil or coconut oil. But castor oil is one of the most effective ones. It is full of nutrients that nourish your follicles, and make your hair thicker and stronger, omega-6 and omega-9 fatty acids, ricinoleic acid, protein, minerals, and vitamin E. There is a particular type of this oil, called Jamaican black castor oil, which is darker in color, and more beneficial for hair. So, if you have a choice, go for Jamaican black castor oil, otherwise using pure castor oil is also fine. What about vitamin E? It is a well-known antioxidant that prevents premature aging, including gray hair. Vitamin E oil helps with scalp infections, has good moisturizing properties, and contributes to strong and thick hair. As you may probably have already guessed, the hair benefits of castor oil and vitamin E work for eyelashes too. How to use castor oil and vitamin E for eyelashes. Here is a simple recipe of eyelash growth serum, with completely natural ingredients. So, take a small glass bowl, and add 1/2 teaspoon of each of the following oils in it: castor, jojoba, and vitamin E oil. Mix these oils nicely with a toothpick, then, using a syringe, transfer the mixture into empty, clear mascara tubes. Apply the mixture on your eyelashes twice a day, or before going to bed. Use single layer only.